Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing myself, my name is M. Ikhwan Nugraha, NPM 150. Student, let us continue our discussion. This time we will learn about recognizing the various properties of building space. Building space is a space that is three-dimensional and has volume or content. In general, building space consists of an arrangement of length, width, and height. These three elements will be able to form a spatial structure. Build space will also be formed from the following parts. Building space will also be formed from the following parts. Number 1 consists of side plane that limit the area between space. Number 2 ribs as a meeting between two sides on a flat shape. 3 the vertex is the result of the meeting between two or more edges. Number 4 the side diagonal is the diagonal side of the space. Number 5 the diagonal plane is a flat plane formed from the diagonal of the sides and edges. Number 6 the space diagonal is a line that is a diagonal of a diagonal plane. The following are the characters of the spatial structure of various types or form of spatial structure. Number 1 a cube is shape that is bounded by six concrete sides and is in the form of a square. The property of a cube are: number 1 it has 4 space diagonal and 12 plane diagonals. Number 2 has 6 side area in the form of a square. Number 3 it has 8 vertices and all the angles are right angle. Number 4 has 12 ribs of the same length. Number 5 let's build a cube space in the form of 6 concrete square. Number 2 characteristic of building space block. The block will be formed by 3 pairs of rectangle square and at least one pair of them has a different size and consistent of 6 sides. The property of the beam are like this: has 4 space diagonal and 12 file diagonal. It has 8 vertices and all of them are right angle. It has 12 sides and 6 pair of opposite sides are the same length. It has 6 rectangular sides and 3 pair of concrete sides. Number 3 constraining property of the tube chamber. The cylinder is formed by two identical and parallel circles and a rectangle enclose the two circles. The properties of the tube chamber are: has a circle base and lid. The distance between the circle of the lid and the circle of the base is called the height of the cylinder. The net is 1 rectangle and 2 circles. The vertical plane of the tube is in the form of a curve, which is also known as a tube plane. Number 4 characteristic of cone-spec contrast. A cone is a shape with a circle base and has one edge and has two sides. The upper side is an inclined plane which is also known as a convex blanket. Cone property include: has one concrete point, has one angle rib, has two sides that are divided between one side is the base formed by the circle and one side is the side of the cone, curved side. Number 5 characteristic of building a spherical space. A sphere is a geometric figure formed by an infinite circle of the same radius and centered on a point of the same size. The properties of this special shape are: has one side, has one counterpoint, has no vertical, it has infinite radii, and they are all the same length. Okay, student, do you get my point? Great. Because you have go to my point, now if you find difficulties, you can ask me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.